What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage. Good morning, everybody on YouTube watching this video right now. Today, I will be not working on the 240 and not working on the Cressida. Unfortunately, working on the Lancer out there. Look at it, way out there. Working on the Lancer, water pump is out. And check this out. When I was at the parts store, oh, here's the water pump. At the parts store though, found some Fast and Furious, man. The S14 and the RX-7. Pretty cool. Give the RX-7 a shipwreck. I think we're gonna crack these open because the blisters are kind of messed up. And yeah, we'll get those going. I'm going to be pulling in the Lancer, put it right here, and I'll show you how to replace your timing belt and your water pump on your Lancers. So let's do it. Woohoo! Well, I already brought the car in. I jacked it up, got the lights all set up. It's gonna be real nice when I don't have to do this anymore. I'll have the lights up there pretty soon. But, alright, so, first things first, I want to disconnect the battery. And then we're gonna work our way over here. Start removing a bunch of little brackets and nonsense. It's all nonsense, but yeah, front wheel drive cars, right? Woohoo. Well, my bad. I kinda did some stuff without filming, but you didn't miss much. All I did was remove this cap, which you have your 1, 2, 3 bolts. Cover your timing belt. You make sure you put your bolts back in. And then I started removing the brackets that hold this line. I go all the way to your power steering and your AC and everything. Remove that. Next thing I'm going to do is relieve the tension to the belt down here, and then the belt for the alternator. We'll remove those two belts, and then we'll start removing the motor mount. But first things first, before we do the motor mount, we need to put the jack. Where's the jack at? That's on the other side. I gotta put the jack underneath and support the engine, because we're gonna have to jack the engine up sometimes and jack it down, so we could take off some certain bolts down here that are too long to come out. Yep, let's do it. So I removed the belt right here, removed the tension, took the belt off, and on this back side, I removed I pushed the alternator down, out of the way, took the belt off, removed the little tensioner, little bracket and everything. So that belt came off. There's the two belts, smaller belt for the alternator, and this is the other belt for the rest. Alright, once you get all that off, you're gonna follow this line one more time. Look at, I forgot about this little guy right here, so I removed the other ones that hold it. I removed that guy right there, and then there's a bracket right here underneath. It goes across, and it goes to where we need to take off the little cover. We're gonna move that down there, and then we're going to be removing this whole bracket right here. Alright, before we take off the mount, in order to bring it up, we need to remove this out of the way, and then it'll make it a lot easier to pull up the motor mount. So we'll just take off these brackets with a 12, these two bolts right here, and we'll be good. What do you got? Oh shit. Power?
Yeah. So you don't have to keep switching.
Yeah. Alright, so move that out of the way, and then we'll just lift it up right here. There we go. I got it. Oh no. See, there we go. Easy as that. It exposes more stuff so we can take off more brackets. Alright, so this is the bracket that I was talking about. You gotta remove. This one was easy to get off, but this is the long one that you had to at least drop the motor down a little bit so you could pull out the long ass bolt right here, because it would hit it. So once you drop it out, it was easy to slide out and you're good. So next thing's next, we'll go underneath. We'll pop off this main bolt right now. For this guy down here, we're gonna use 22. We'll pop it on. It should be easy to do. Oh, I need another hand. Super easy. Keep that together. Should be able to pop off. If anything, will get a little crowbar underneath it and pop it up.
Can't you quack?
Catch you quack. Alright, so loosen the bolt up, and then we use that special tool, but it only works so good. So now we're just using pure yo-yo power. So I can feel it wiggling off. It's coming.
Do it!
Ooh.
Do it, mijo!
Got it.
Nice.
Not bad.
Yeah, I probably could have used some penetrating oil, would have helped, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's
Lube it up a little bit.
It's a little rust.
Yeah. See, clean it up for sure. So now, you see, now all we gotta do is this shield right here. We gotta take off the bolts surrounding it, and we'll pop it off, and then we'll be able to expose everything that we need. Woohoo! Underneath, those little bolts, 10 millimeter. Let's take them off one by one. We got one, you got two, and then you got three, and then you got four. So yeah, four so far that I can see. Let's see up there. And then we'll work our way up to the top part, take those bolts off, and then we'll be good. So I removed all the little bolts, some long ones, some little ones. Next thing I'm gonna do is remove this bracket right here, which held up the alternator. Remove that, then we'll be able to take off the shield, and then we'll be able to move to this bracket and be able to get to the water pump. So let's start taking that. Where is it? Yeah, start taking this bracket off right here. It's funny because the bolt up top, this long one, right? Sorry, it's super wobbly. This one right here is a 14, and the one underneath it, which goes like right here underneath, was a 12. So just remember that you need two different sizes. But the next thing, since it's hitting right here, I need to jack up the car a little bit, and then we'll get the room, and we'll be able to pull it off. And I think after this, the little cover should come right off. Should. Yeah, here, just jack it up, and then I'll show everything. So he's pumping it up right now, and then keep going. There we go. Should be able to pop it out. Let's see. Yep. And just like that. Yeah, I got it. Hold on. There we go. I got it. Where's the bracket? Here's the bracket. Yeah, this one goes right here. Keep everything together. Where's the other one? This one goes on the back side underneath, right there. Just keep everything together. That's a good thing. Don't want to have a 240 incident.
Yeah, I want to guess the bolt. And the plastic. That's all.
Yeah, this cover should pop off now. Oh no, here it goes. Okay, we got it. Oh, it's gross. That's nasty.
That's nasty.
That's nasty. And clean that up in a little bit. So here's what it looked like. Pretty grimy and nasty. It must have been a leak for a while, because when I first bought the car, I noticed it was all, damn it. Okay. But when I first bought the car, it was super gunky and nasty, but I don't know if it was like an oil leak or whatnot. So now this confirms that it has no oil leaks, and soon no radiator fluid leaks. So that's gonna be really nice. Let's see, we'll clean this all up. I should have bought a bunch of brake cleaner and shit. Alright, so the last thing we're gonna need to do is take off this bracket that covers the tensioner for the timing belt. And that's a 14, so I'll just ratchet it off, and we'll be good. See, got that off right now. Got it. Let's see which way we can get it out. Let's figure that out. I need two hands. So there's that big old bracket. Got that bolt. Make sure you keep everything together. It'll make your life a lot easier. It's gonna make this a lot easier. So yeah, fully exposed. Then we get to the little tensioner right there, and then pull off the belt and get to the water pump.
Did you have to unplug something?
No, it just popped right out.
It just goes right.
Yeah, it goes right into it. Yeah. But here's another Doctor, doctor.
Shit. I'm getting paid for this.
You're getting paid in drifting on Friday.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so the next thing you're gonna do is go for that tensioner right there and get that off. It's a 12. You take that off, we'll be able to take the belt off, and then we'll get to the water pump like I keep saying over and over again. Oh yeah, so I popped it off. Before I take off the belt, I'll show you. This is what's behind the belt, keeping the tension on it. Keep the spring. Luckily, this whole kit came with everything. I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, got the belt down there. Pull it off. It should come right off. There we go. Easy as that. About the same size. Yeah, it should be the same size. And then next thing is to get to the water pump right there. Woo woo woo. It's not too bad. I mean, let's see. Watch.
Brand new OEM.
Really, oh dang, let's see it. Woo, look at that. Nice and clean. Yeah, super clean. But right now, it seems like it's a lot of work, but it's really not. Super simple if you take your time, keep everything together, and then yeah, you'll be good. So there's all everything. Show underneath, all right here, all exposed. So a couple bolts we gotta take off, and they'll be good. And then I'm gonna get some brake cleaner and stuff, degreaser, so we clean this all up, make it nice and fresh. Got a bunch of bolts I still gotta take off. One more bolt to take off, and it'll be good. Right on. Look at this big old mess. As you can tell, got it off. Hopefully this is the main issue. I'll clean it all up with the new one. As you can see, got it all exposed underneath. Clean that up. We'll scrape it, blast this all down, and pair everything back together. And let's just spray it down. And what you definitely want to do is clean the area with a fresh razor blade. Luckily the gasket came off super easy. There's not a whole lot of grime right here, which is really, really nice. Alright everybody, so right here I have the new one, the new water pump, and I already started putting some sealant on it, some little water gasket. And then once this is installed, we'll keep going. It's almost done. Took a few hours, but once I add this on, I'll do the timing belt, and then just after that, it's just piece after piece after piece, and it'll be done! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, I can't wait. I want to work on the 240 more than anything in the world, but it's all about the daily. And now that I got the water pump on, I'm doing the little timing belt tensioner right there, and then all we gotta do is grab the new one, and yeah, we'll plop it on. Alright, so what have I done? I've mounted the bracket for the alternator. It's right here. Remember, just jack up the engine so you get this long bolt in, because it will hit the frame right here of the car. And then I got the whole plastic piece, which is all this guy, everything all right here. Got this on, bolted it up, all the bolts are all on. And then the this long one, which I don't think I showed you guys in the beginning, but you pretty much, it goes down into that bracket down there, and we need to push the motor down so we get this long one in. Right, that hole right there.
Because lifting it wasn't enough.
Yeah, lifting it didn't work, so we have to like put force in. It'll go in. So hopefully, if you're doing this and you realize you were doing the same thing, then cool, we're on the same page. So yeah, let's put that on really quick.
If you didn't have to do that, then the car isn't me saying.
Yeah, right. All right, here we're. See, it's been too long. I can't even talk anymore, man. I am so tired. But it's all pretty much right there, almost there. I put all the belts on. Alternator is fully bolted down. Its belt is on. The power steering, that's totally bolted down. Now, next thing I need to do, grab this wonky ass motor mount. I'll pop that on, and then we'll tighten down all the little guys that we took off. And then we're almost there, man. We're almost there. Oh my god. We're almost there, guys and girls. Girls and guys. Guys and gals. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's all done, guys. I put everything on. Everything is on. Sorry, I didn't film step by step by step by step, but you get the gist of everything of what I pointed at and whatnot. Everything's all bolted down. Super solid. Reservoir, motor mounts, the little cover, the ground, just everything. Everything's all back together. It took a while, but I saved money and everything else. I saved money and I gained experience. I saved money and gained experience, so that's for sure. At least I know how to do this now. Make some money for some other person who has one, right? Anyways, so tonight I'm letting the gasket sit on the water pump. I'll add fluid in it tomorrow and we'll test drive it and see if the leak is gone. And if it's gone, I did a good job. If not, I didn't do a good job. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Woohoo!
Let it never die! Tonight, I feel just fine. Out on the street and out of my mind. Good guy, not well.
Let's go check it out. All set up. Dang, all these wires. So what, some of those are cabled too?
So this is, yeah, they got the power one. They already got it all
Ran down that one?
So now we're just gonna do one for the cat.
Oh, okay, that one down. Got it all through. Keep going.